Think wrinkles and sagging cheeks are the only things that give away your age? No. The real thief of your youth is right here. Point to your temples. It's hollow temples. They make your face look tired and instantly add 10 years. Why does this happen even to young and thin people, and how can you fix it? Watch till the end, because cosmetologists often keep this a secret.
Sunrise in my coffee cup, new day just waking up. Got a good feeling deep inside, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Yeah, it's a good day, gonna go my own way. I love my life, oh I love my life. Every little piece of it, every single bit. Blue skies or pouring rain, no time for feeling pain. Got my headphones on, so loud, dancing through the morning crowd. Some folks they worry and they fret, but I ain't even started yet. Got a smile on my face, so why? Good vibes always by my side. I love my life, oh I love my life. Every little piece of it, every single bit. You've been hiding your heart in the corner, talking small so you don't seem strange, tracing circles on the same old table, afraid that the shape might change. But every little wish you never mention is waiting at the edge of your attention. It's not harmful to dream, it's so important to dream. Everything in life is possible, so let the miracle happen. Come on, let the miracle happen. Come on. All those plans in a cracked screen notebook, half-crossed lines that you never tried. Throw that fear like a coat in the hallway, step out in your brightest mind. Cause every single maybe that you're saving is aching for the risk that you're escaping. It's not harmful to dream, it's so important to dream. Everything in life is possible, so let the miracle happen. Come on, let the miracle happen. Come on, close your eyes, see it clear. Oh yeah, say it out loud, pull it near. One brave breath, then another. Watch your small spark rediscover. It's not harmful to dream, it's so important to dream. Everything in life is possible,
slow motion